Hello Ganofins, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to C++ programming tutorial guys. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the assignment operator, increment operator and decrement operator. Open your ears and listen to me. So first talk about the assignment operator. The simple assignment operator, which is this equal sign. This equal sign means a assignment operator. If you are writing like this, that means you are assigning a value 5 to the variable a. That means this is a assignment operator. This equal sign is assignment operator which assigns the value 5 to variable a. Now let's talk about more assignment operators. You can also add plus or multiplication or minus or division sign before a assignment operator. If you do this, if you do like a plus equals to 3, this means a equals to a plus 3. This means that thing a plus equals to 3 means a equals to a plus 3. So if you do that and if you run your program, then you can say what will be the output. The output will be 8 guys. You can say, yeah. Let's move ahead and talk about the increment operator. The increment operator is used to increase an integer's value by 1 and is commonly used C++ operator. It is very common to use increment operator. If you know about the for loop, we always use increment operator in that. And it is written by in this manner. If you do a plus plus, this means a equals to a plus 1. This will increase the value of a by 1. But there are two kinds of increment or decrement operator. Those are post increment and pre-increment. And in decrement there are pre-decrement and post decrement. If you run this program, this is post increment. So here you saw that the value of a was got increased by 1, and if you assigns a value to another variable b, and if you print the value of b, for example, if you print the value of b, can you say that what will be the output of your program? What will be the value of a and what will be the value of b? The program will print. Okay, let's see. You can see the value of a is 6 and the value of b is 5. This was post increment, and this happened because this is post increment. It increments the value, it assigns the value to b as 5, not 6, because this is post increment. If you do pre increment in this manner, then it will assigns the value to b as 6, because this was pre increment. This assigns a value after incrementing the value of a, and in post increment it assigns the value to b, then after it increments the value of a. This same thing works for the decrement operator. If you use minus sign, this is post decrement, and if you add minus signs before variable, then they will be your pre-decrement. So the post decrement result can be seen on your screen. Those are 4 and 5. 4 is for value a, well, a's value was 4 and b's value was 5. And if you do pre-decrement, what will happen? You can say that now. No, that there are two 4 on the screen. This happened because of the pre-decrement, guys. Well, I hope you understood about the assignment operator, increment operator and decrement operator. If you have any question regarding to these operators, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching the video.